Here in this video, I'm gonna show you a live demo how to get your deleted contact number, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your call application and near from the bottom, select the last third option, contacts. First thing first, from my contact list, I'm gonna delete the contact number. So to delete the contact number, just click and hold for a few seconds on a specific contact number, like this. And yeah, from the below options, just click on delete to delete this contact number. The best thing is, when you delete any contact number, there's no any option to directly delete it. First, you gotta move that contact number to the trash box. Okay, so first click on move to trash, and now my contact number is deleted. If you wanna find this contact number after deleting it, you can find it so easily. First, open your call application. Now select contacts. From the top side, click on this three-dot icon. Now click on trust. So this is the contact number that I deleted a few minutes ago. And now if you want to restore this contact number, just click and hold for a few seconds like this. And now look at the bottom, you get two options here, restore all and delete all. Just click on restore all. And then the same phone number will be back in your contact list. That's it. So this is how you can see your deleted contact number, and if you want, you can restore them too. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.